What if you were just one decision away from a $10,000 investment turning into $100,000? That kind of growth sounds insane, right? But it's not a fantasy. It's happened before, over and over again, to people who understood one thing: timing matters. It's not just about what stock you buy, it's about when. Right now, there's a wave forming, not in the usual places like giant tech companies everyone already knows. I'm talking about a stock flying under the radar, but quietly showing signs of massive momentum. We're seeing smaller tech companies exploding in sectors most people don't fully understand yet. Voice AI, quantum computing, energy infrastructure. These aren't buzzwords anymore, they're becoming realities. And when these small cap stocks catch fire, they don't double, they explode. Take one company specializing in AI voice tech. Just a year ago, barely anyone cared. Now, it's tripled. And analysts believe it could still 10x because the market it's tackling is nearly untapped. Think smart assistants, automation, search, even cars. When one of these platforms becomes essential, and it will, early investors won't be asking if it was risky. They'll be celebrating that they moved before everyone else woke up. Then there's infrastructure plays. While everyone's chasing headlines, the money is moving into companies building the pipes, the literal networks that power electric cars and AI data. Quiet, boring companies building the future. That's what the wealthiest insiders love. Because these businesses don't need hype, they just need contracts. And once those hit, revenue scales fast. Some investors are also eyeing lesser-known tech stocks connected to government contracts and defense, companies handling sensitive data, analytics, and national infrastructure. You don't hear about them on every finance channel, but when they land a deal, the stock jumps overnight. You blink, you miss it. There are also high-risk, high-upside names in the $1 range. Small companies working on complex innovations like quantum processors, or financial platforms trying to change how people invest and save. These are speculative, you don't go all in, but even a small position, if timed right, can shift your whole portfolio. The point here isn't to throw money at every hype train, it's to recognize what the most strategic investors are doing. They're not waiting, they're positioning, they're researching, they're building stakes in companies with potential, not popularity. The window to buy before a stock 10x's is always quiet. There's no fireworks, no headlines, just signals, strong teams, rising partnerships, tech that's about to tip. But that window doesn't stay open. Once momentum hits, the train is gone. You don't need to predict the future. You just need to be early when everyone else is sleeping. You manage your risk, study the upside, and move with intention. That's how people catch life-changing gains. Not by luck, but by positioning themselves before the crowd does. If this sparked an idea or gave you a push to start researching smarter, hit that like button so the algorithm knows you want more real investing insights. And if you're serious about spotting these early opportunities before the masses, subscribe to the channel. Because this is where smart money gets ready,